TTS. Imagine a secret laboratory, hidden deep underground. Scientists work tirelessly on a classified experiment. The goal? Create the perfect organism. Weeks turn into months as the experiment progresses. At first, everything seems under control. But the organism begins to evolve rapidly. It reacts to stimuli in ways no one predicted. The lab's security intensifies. Strange noises echo through the facility at night. Scientists argue over containment protocols. One researcher secretly manipulates the DNA further. The creature grows stronger and more intelligent. It learns to anticipate human actions. Attempts to sedate it fail. It begins to escape containment. Panic spreads through the lab. Emergency lockdowns activate. The creature shows cunning, using the lab itself against the humans. Researchers try to reason with the situation. Some sacrifice themselves to save others. The creature evolves unpredictably, mutating every hour. It begins to communicate, non-verbally, through gestures and glowing patterns. The lab becomes a maze of danger and uncertainty. Scientists debate shutting down the entire facility. Attempts to flee are thwarted by the creature's cunning. The creature shows signs of emotion, curiosity, anger, intelligence. It begins leaving cryptic messages around the lab. The line between monster and sentient being blurs. Some scientists begin sympathizing with it. The facility becomes a battleground between man and creation. The creature adapts faster than anyone anticipated. It manipulates the environment to test human reactions. Attempts to contain it with technology fail. Fear turns into obsession for those trying to stop it. Some choose to join its evolution willingly. The lab descends into chaos. The creature demonstrates intelligence beyond expectation. It starts to manipulate other lab systems subtly. Survival instincts clash with scientific curiosity. The creature's appearance becomes increasingly monstrous and alien. It learns to exploit human weaknesses. Communication with it is tenuous at best. Some scientists realize the experiment has surpassed control. The question arises: who created whom? The creature begins making choices independently. It tests ethics, morality, and human limits. The lab is now a proving ground for intelligence and survival. Humans begin to fear their own creation. Some attempt to destroy it, but the lab resists. The creature grows curious about the outside world. Escape seems inevitable. Scientists face moral dilemmas. Destroy it or let it live. The monster is now a reflection of human ambition. It begins to assert dominance over its surroundings. The experiment transcends its initial goal. The creature now questions its own existence. Humanity's hubris is laid bare. The lab may never be the same again. The creature leaves a mark, a warning, or perhaps an invitation. Its story becomes a legend of ambition, science, and the unknown.